What is going on, creators, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to show you how to delete your brand accounts on YouTube. Now before we get started, we're obviously going to open up the internet and go to our YouTube channel. But before we get started, you should know what brand accounts are before doing this. If you delete the wrong channel, you're going to get rid of all of the work that you've done, because there is no going back once you delete a channel. So keep that in mind and please follow along carefully. So what is a branded channel, right? We have our channel here, which is a branded channel, by the way. And what you can think of a branded channel as is basically like a business account. If you've got a TikTok, for example, you may have a personal account and then you can also have a business account. I have both. So your brand account on YouTube is basically like a business account that you would have on other platforms. So if you click on your icon on the top right here, you're gonna see the email that you're signed up with and your channel, right? This is Noble Guides. I'm at Noble Guides. This is my branded channel, which is a tutorial channel. Now if you go to switch account, this is gonna show you all the channels and or emails that you have available to you. So click on switch account, and that's going to bring all this up. Now obviously I've got my emails covered up, but we have my main account. This channel right here does not have a YouTube channel associated with it. Instead, this is the email that I use for all of my branded or business YouTube accounts, right? So under this email, we have Noble Guides, we have Noble Arcade, and then these are examples of things that I've made. You can also click on view all channels here, and this will bring you to all the channels that you've got. Once again, this right here is my main email. Although I don't have a YouTube channel associated with it, these are all channels that are associated with one email, also known as brand accounts. So I'm going to get rid of these obviously fake ones. These are not anything important, so we're going to get rid of them. So the first thing that you want to do, and I'll go back to the regular screen just to make it a little bit easier, you're going to click on your icon, you're going to go to switch account, and then you're going to click on the channel, the branded channel that you want to get rid of. So first we're going to get rid of Miss Fakerson here. We're going to click on that. As you guys can see, we are signed in to the channel that we want to delete. Make sure you're doing this correctly, because if you don't, you will delete the channel that you've been working on. So from here, we're going to go down to settings. Here on the right side, we're going to click on advanced settings. And then here in the center, you guys can see at the very bottom, we've got delete channel. So we're going to click on delete channel. Are you considering deleting your channel? Deleting this channel with an unresolved YouTube partner program suspension could prevent you from earning from any other channels you own or create. Keep that in mind. If you have anything that is violation on YouTube and stuff, don't get rid of your channel until that is resolved. But we are good, so we're going to review in our Google account, and then it's going to give you some options here. If you want to hide your content, you can totally do that if you just want to forget about a channel. But what I want to do is just get rid of those brand accounts permanently. So I want to permanently delete my content. We're going to click on that. It says this will permanently delete your YouTube data associated with Miss Fakerson. Select all of the following to confirm that you understand. The following will be permanently deleted: comments, your replies, your YouTube gifts, and any search history. That's totally fine. Any paid subscriptions that you own, whether you have YouTube Premium, YouTube TV, or anything else, will be canceled, and you will still have access until the end of your billing cycle. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and then delete my content. And then once again, because they want you to be sure, you need to type in your channel name and then delete my content. And then that's it. Your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes, but it can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. Again, we didn't really have anything on there. So I've gone ahead and signed out completely, and now we can go back and check. We're going to go back to our channel. We are signed into our regular channel. You guys can see my icon here, and we're going to click on this again and then go to switch account, and you guys can see Miss Fakerson is all gone. So hopefully that helped you get rid of your brand account if you had an extra account that you just made, didn't really do anything with, and just didn't want to see it in your channel's list anymore. If it did, consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.